Take a picture now. Take a picture.
Hey, 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 Driff. Hey, picture take no. All right. Everybody in the backyard are Driff, but them not the Jamaican Driff, them are the Yankee Driff. So I don't know. Prep some nice chicken them, you know, when they pan, you know.
Straight swim around.
Oh, can't somebody don't eat chicken?
Why? Swim around.
Chicken of all meat, dogs.
Swim around, brother.
Oh, you type of foolish, man. You are going to eat one of the chicken leg, man.
Pescatarian.
You are going to eat one of the chicken leg.
Pescatarian.
Dog, you are going to eat one of the chicken leg.
Yeah, real, man.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream. Until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Oraine Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
So freestyle right here, we have some chicken, and we're gonna do some jerk chicken on the grill outdoor. And right here, guys, are the recipe for our jerk chicken. We have some allspice, we have some mild Walker's with jerk seasoning, and we have some all-purpose season. We have some jerk season. We have some chicken season. So we're just gonna go ahead now freestyle and season up the chicken the right and proper way, the freestyle way. So just stay tuned. You know the vibe. So right here freestyle, I have my pimento. I went ahead and I beat it. To crush the pimento, so we're gonna sprinkle the pimento all over the chicken. Cause you know freestyle, there is no jerk like a jerk with some nice flavor of the real authentic seasoning. So right here we sprinkle that. Now we're gonna go ahead now freestyle and enter some chicken season. Sprinkle with chicken season. Then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna sprinkle some black pepper. After we sprinkle our black pepper freestyle, we're gonna put some garlic seasoning. Put our garlic all-purpose seasoning. So freestyle right here, we have some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna enter some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And for the spices freestyle, that would be it for now. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna massage everything together. Get the chicken seasoned up the right and proper way. See that freestyle? Nice and lovely. Well seasoned. The spices all over. Now freestyle right here we have some Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. It's the #1 jerk seasoning of all jerk seasoning. So right here we have the hot and spicy, and also we have the mild. So we're going to mix them off and off. Go in with some of the mild. And we're gonna put a small amount of the hot and spicy, as the kids have to eat it and we don't want to have it too hot. Some of the hot and spicy. Then we're going to incorporate everything together on our chicken. Nice and lovely. Well seasoned. Got that freestyle. So freestyle, here you have it. Our chicken is now completely seasoned. And as you can see for yourself, nice and lovely, nice and colorful, with all the spices and all the ingredients and We're just gonna leave our chicken to just sit there and marinate, and then we're just gonna throw it on the grill. So it's all about some jerk chicken and some jerk pork in the backyard, and we just have all our vibes. Over there, so the big chef. You know the vibes. Freestyle. Jerk chicken, backyard settings. Freestyle is now time for me to go ahead and light the coal. As for this coal, I call it the magic fire coal or the magic charcoal. So here we go. Just have a lighter in my hand. I don't have nothing in it, only the charcoal alone in it. So try my lighter and coal I go catch. Yes, how I go. Magic don't hurt. Freestyle, the grill is down lit, and we're going to put the chicken on. That piece of jerk, if I can wash it off and put it back on it, because now waste. So we are throwing the chicken them now freestyle. And as you can see, the chicken well soaked, well seasoned, well marinated. Big up to my son Orion. Yeah, the camera, best cameraman, right Orion?
Yeah.
Alright, give me a close up. Come here, Orion. Freestyle, look at this. Well seasoned. Look at that. We're talking about the all-purpose season, the jerk season. And the other spices combined together. And I must tell you guys, this chicken is smelling so good. And we're done grill yet. So it survives. Some jerk chicken and some jerk pork in the backyard. And we're there just a whole of vibes. You have it? Alright, now look. Looking good?
Yep.
That is it. For freestyle, we have the chicken on the grill, and as you can see, guys, well seasoned. So we're just gonna close the grill now, freestyle. We're just gonna allow it to just sit there and slow grill the right and proper way, the Oraine freestyle way. And I would say, guys, we're outside in the backyard, and we're just there all our vibes. Freestyle, I open the grill, and guys, the aroma that hit you is just a complete vibe. We're talking about our jerk chicken, well seasoned with all the spices, and we're talking about the authentic Jamaican spices, as you see, guys. We're talking about the chicken season, the all-purpose. We're talking about the pimento, plus the other spices, guys. And I must tell you, guys, it's just a vibes going on the grill right here. Freestyle, we're now going to close back our grill because we're in a no hurry and just make the chicken go and jerk the right and proper way. And as you can see, guys, we're out in the backyard and we have all our vibes, the freestyle way. Yo, the man stay from way down the block and smell the chicken. Yo, man, jerky there, man.
Alright, where you going with?
Jerky there, man. So I go on there. Outside. That is it. You see it? Yeah, man, so my general correct just pull up on there. And you don't know, we just there with a vibe. That is it. Just pull up. And there I make me a drink of Hennessy. I don't want to get nothing but the brown buckle, you know. Straight. Yep, straight brown buckle. I'm just there in the backyard, that's how we have all our vibes. That is it. Alright, my boss. Cheers.
That is it, my brother. Life
that is it.
Everything, man. Yeah, man. Long life and good health, you say, you know.
That is it.
And we'll live in love, you see me?
In the meantime, the grill over here, so I go and blaze up, but Fred, tell me chicken, you know, where they pan enough?
Straight to my road.
Oh, can't somebody don't eat chicken?
Why? Simmer round.
Chicken of all meat, dog?
Simmer round, brother.
Oh, you that's a foolish, man. You are going to eat one of the chicken leg, man.
Pescatarian.
You are going to eat one of the chicken leg.
Pescatarian.
Dog, you are going to eat one of the chicken leg. Yo.
Real, man.
So, piece of the chicken are almost ready. I'll give them a turn now. See that? Nice and lovely. Nice and colorful. You know, once I freestyle if I get a murder, you know. See that? What's okay about chicken smell?
Come out tonight, Saturday evening, the grill I feel light.
So, freestyle, my brother correct the behind the camera. And I say I'm not eat chicken, but dog, you're happy to eat a leg.
Why?
If you don't take a leg in friendship, don't mind you. That's me, I tell the brother.
Why?
So freestyle, that is it. Oh, I'm going. I'm going to go on, dog. Paper. The bread. The man don't want to try the pork and the man don't want to try the chicken. They try to put all the pork on the fish and the man get me.
Come on, man.
Yo.
Oh, you're not easy.
Yo, we have some corn so. I have one fish for the grill for Craig. The man nah try the pork and the man nah try the chicken, brother. Dog.
Fish fry, you know, and a fish alone, them up.
My youth.
All for the menu. Why don't you just call it a cook?
Yo. If you not eat pork, I can't understand, but if you not eat chicken, my youth.
No.
Brother, if you not eat chicken, my youth. My youth. May I give you one chicken leg? May I give you one chicken leg and if you not eat your friendship, done. That may I tell you. Yo. Freestyle, I want to say I'm not trying the pork, I'm not trying the chicken in the sun. I have one fish on the grill theme still, so I'm good. One fish there I go and sort out for him. The name roast and dip, man, they make a sauce with cucumber, lime juice, and some other little things they put in there, and pepper and everything. And when you dip that fish there, are the nicest fish. Yeah, man, here roast and dip, man, the nicest fish that. Here roast and dip. If you know about that fish, tell it in the comment section, let me know. Roast and dip. The sea comes straight from the sea and you roast it on the zinc and you dip it in the sauce. That's the baddest roast fish.
Yeah.
Yo.
Try that too, man.
I'll show you what I say.
Look at if you dive and then come out. Yo, wait.
Money go eat.
Yeah.
Money go fish fry.
Right, you're right. Pepper and salt, mama, you don't need nothing more.
Yo.
Alright,
yo. Alright, look. Me never know about fish in a file paper until me turn big man.
Yeah.
A zinc, me know a fish roast pan.
You know something not there?
Yeah, you roast the chick pan, the fish pan zinc. Yeah, a zinc, you roast the fish pan. You know about file paper fish. Roast the fish pan is zinc, Bridget. I have a thing what they call the dip. And the sauce that, Bridget, with lime juice, I have your pepper, I have your pimento, I have your this and your that tonight. Onion, and the nicest thing that, brother. Nicest thing that, bro. So where's the Craig? How the fish are going? People, the man, stick out and say, I'm not try the fish, the pork, and I'm not try the chicken. So I have to roast a one fish for him.
Swim around. Why? Swim around.
Alright, him just swim around. So where's the, how the fish going?
Swim around can't work with alright, man. Good to go.
Alright, that is it. Yummy, ready to eat, baby? Ready to eat? Okay. Ready to eat? Ready to eat, Maya?
Yes!
Alright, the kids are ready to eat. Leah, ready to eat, baby? Ready to eat? Ready to eat? Alright. Share on the sharer. Come on, the sharer. Come on. So see it a freestyle night catch you so outside kind of dark. But this is the jerk chicken. And over here so we have some jerk pork. I'm gonna open it and show you guys in a minute. Freestyle jerk pork over here so, and over here so we have some jerk chicken. So we're gonna share now and we're just gonna eat up some food and all our vibes in the backyard. So you know the vibes, we just know the backyard and all our vibes and we just share it with you guys. So you don't know, big up on yourself. Freestyle, you know the vibes. That's it. That's it. Right, no beef, no pasta. Right here, so we have some Rasta pasta. And I must tell you guys, this Rasta pasta is a world vibe. Look at it. Nice and delicious, nice and colorful. So we're about to dig into it and we're gonna just enjoy it to the fullest. You don't know, we're in the backyard and all the vibes. Style seater, some Rasta pasta, some jerk chicken, and a roast can on my plate. I may have a piece of pork over there so I'm gonna mash up in a minute. So that is it. You know the vibes. Driff no man, driff, driff, driff! Jesus, driff! Artist dance out of me can't do it. Kirk can't do it, the person in the backyard can't do it. So you can't go so? Man, you're gonna drift no man. Yeah, I'm gonna drift man. You're gonna dance no man. Kirk, go ahead man. Hey, 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 drift, 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 drift. Take a picture now. Take a picture now. Hey, hey, hey. Picture, picture take, picture take, picture take. Hey, 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 hey. Drift, 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 drift. Yo. Dance. But nobody else can't teach because them can't do it. Alright, Simon, go on, I say we can do it, Simon, go on. Simon, go. No, Brethren, content creator there, no. Driff, oh, hey, oh, driff, driff, alright, driff, 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 alright. Picture now, picture, picture.
No picture time. I'm a picture to watch boy.
Yeah. Yo, I saw a Yankee Driff around here. Yeah, the Driff and a Jamaican Driff. The Driff is a Yankee Driff around. Alright, mommy with the drift. Alright, drift, 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 drift. Yeah, MJ, drift. Hey, alright, MJ, MJ, MJ. Alright, Simon, come down. Simon, drift, drift. Drift, 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 drift. Shelly, come now, drift now, Shelly, drift. Drift, 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 drift. Yo, my own. Yo, dog, what you deal with? How you deal with my own? Yo. Everybody in the backyard a drift. But them not the Jamaican drift, them are the Yankee drift, so I don't know. Did you know you have the Jamaican drift or you have the Yankee drift? Yeah? Let's show them. That's my own. Your time for drift. Go and go dance. Yeah. Hey, hey. Picture take no. Alright, alright. Alright, alright. Yankee drift. Yankee drift. Alright. Big dance action. Freestyle. Sure.
Take a picture now. Take a picture.
Like, share, and comment. If you haven't subscribed as yet, the subscription button. Join the movement. Freestyle.